I spilled my water. Okay. I got as many as I could.
But seriously,
I got a bunch of paper towels.
please.
Show them the mess.
Let's have a new video about cleaning this.
Yeah, I've already filmed.
Yeah, I know it's filming. But let's make the. But for now, this video will be about cleaning the floor.
Foster! Why don't you focus on Foster?
Hi, Foster. No. Oh, Foster went under the bed. Foster's probably going to die, maybe.
Alright, I'm done.
Really?
No! No, I'm done. Seriously, I don't want to do it anymore. Here you go. You can film.
What are you talking about? Are you have to go back there?
No? I'm going to film you. So you're just going to film me getting paper towels? No, Alex, we don't need any more. Let's just go in the bathroom. Hi, Kitty. We're going to need a paper towel. I mean, a real towel.
You know where the real towels are?
Hey, Alex.
Should we stop the video?
What? Yeah.
I'm bored.
Video over.